Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go to the Railroad Museum. We got a couple things to do on the boat. We're gonna paint, we were gonna clean. I got Starlink, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, we're gonna hang out on the boat for the week in the dock and yeah, have a good time. Welcome aboard. Yay. How are you doing?
Awesome. I'm gonna lift you up.
The torpedo has an error. It doesn't have any power. It couldn't possibly be because I unplugged it. Okay, so I got a new outboard for the dinghy here. It's a 15 horsepower, so we should be able to, you know, take it on adventures and go surfing and, you know, travel and go get groceries from a really far away place. But we got to mount it, and it's a little tricky because I got to pull off the outboard that's already on here. But this electric outboard is really, really good. Oh, look, the Coast Guard.
Homeland Security.
Oh, is it Homeland?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've got it. All we gotta do is mount it without dropping it. Oh, shit. Hello, my friendly duck. How are you today? What a good duck. Good morning, guys. We are going to the farmer's market. It is Sunday, and there's a really cool little farmer's market close to the dock. So yeah, come with us while we go see that. I don't know. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm just replacing this fitting because my Mercury outboard engine died, but I was able to get this Johnson 15 horsepower
it going, guys? I am working on a new jerry can mount because I did not like the one that I had before. So I made it out of some plastic boards, some U-bolts, and some I-bolts, and I put this thing together, and it should keep these jerry cans mounted nice and sturdy so we don't lose them on our way to Mexico. It goes through the handles and then to an I-bolt on each one, so it should be mounted very, very securely. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.